Carlos from Red Fox Removals, leading a professional moving service in Sydney. We are based at Forestville. StorHub is our new partner. We are carrying on for 4 years in this facility. The main service that we can provide is moving houses, interstate moving relocations. We have our packing service as well. We're not just a removal company, we care about our customers. So StorHub is always here to support us when our customers need us extra space or anything related to the moving service. Moving is a stressful part of our life. Every time we move, we always have a stress to deal with. But I can guarantee you, our team will come to your house. We're gonna do everything that you ask us to do with a fair price, affordable, reliable, and efficient way. So if you need a professional moving service and a storage that it can be your home, StorHub is the place to come.